On July 20th, 2026, BCSO deputies responded to a home regarding an escalating dispute between roommates. Watch how the situation unfolds when deputies try to mediate.
As much as what he wants until you get him evicted. Unless you get him addicted.
So, since it's the 22nd and I leave here and I go move to the nice apartments by Lake Powell, he's gone,
Nick,
right?
We're done with the back and forth. You have to get him evicted if you want him to leave. Otherwise, he can stay. You cannot lock the door. You cannot lock the windows. Otherwise, he can break the door down. He can break the windows. Does that make sense?
So that's fine. As long as you don't come, he can break the windows down.
Wait, if you lock him out of the house, he can do anything he has to get back in.
Wait, I'm not being mean. I'm sitting down. Who made the law?
The state.
When?
The state did. Nick, you need to stop. I am trying to explain this in a calm manner.
You.
Nick.
Thank you, officers. You know what? Thank you. You.
Hey.
You want to push assault?
Do you?
You don't do this,
no,
guys. I said
because you just got in his face and yelled at him. Stop.
Okay, I'm sorry.
You just listen to me. You just got in his face. Why should I not pursue assault charges on you? Tell me why. Because you just did this to him. Because you just did this to him. Why should we not?
At no time in this conversation had you ever said that. Then you wanted to be an idiot.
Take it from here to down here. Go in your room and go to sleep.
Yes, ma'am.
Now.
And if you lock him, in out of that house.
Do not lock that door.
Yes, ma'am.
Go inside. Go in your room and go to bed.
Yes, ma'am.
He was going to slit my throat.
Get a battery. Yep, battery.
Battery.
He grabbed his hair, ripped his chest hair. So.
I grabbed nothing.
No, do not lock that door. I'm gonna bust. Nick, come here. I just want to talk, man. I just want to talk. That's it. Nick, can you open the door, please?
Please don't hurt my dog, so.
Nick, I just want to talk. That's it. I just want to talk to you. I can't talk to you through the door. I can't hear you. I can't hear you through the door.
You can talk.
Okay.
I did nothing to him. You're gonna get. Why did he do that? Why did you do that to me? God, I swear I'm done.
No, you're not. Give me a second. Give me a second.
Why did you do that?
Hold him.
Why did you
Got him.
rip my chest hair, Nick, and tell me you were going to slit my
Okay, stop. You go to your room right now.
Yes, sir.
Push his arm over there.
I got it. Promise.
We're 10-4, 10-15. Now, you want to take him, Studer?
Yep.
You got him? I'll be right back.
Why did you do this to me?
Let's go.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am.
You're the one who started it. Now shut up.